What is up, everybody? My name is Havoc. Welcome back to my channel. The other day on my Twitch stream, we talked about my Plex server that I run on my Synology NAS. Well, it just so happens I got a notice that it's time to update the server to a new version. Now, when you update Plex server on a Synology NAS, it's different than you do on a different platform. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to manually update your Plex server if you're running it on a Synology NAS. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into this, I want to make sure you realize there is the possibility your server can be corrupted while you're updating. It's very unlikely, but there is a possibility. So make sure you back up all of your data before you do this update. So here we are on my Plex server on my NAS. I call it Plex NAS, very original name, I know. And I'm over here in the general section. What you can do is if you click up here, the settings on the top right, you'll come to this section and you can click the general option here. You can see we're on version 1.21. It says there's an update available. You can click this to see what's new. What you want to do is download it here, so we'll click please install manually. That'll pop a window open, it'll go to download. I've already done it. Now we're going to switch over to the NAS. And here we are on the NAS console, and the first thing you want to do is go up to Package Center. And if you don't see it, you can click this little option here and it'll show all your available options to click there. I just have Package Center set. I'm going to go to install, and we want to go to Plex Media Server. We'll click on it, and right to the right of this open button, we'll click the down arrow and stop. You need to stop the Plex server before you can update it. It says, are you sure you want to stop it? We'll say yes. It's stopping the server. There we go, we're stopped. And now the rest is super easy. We click on the manual up here on the top right of the window. We choose our file that we downloaded in the previous step. So I got this 1.23. We're going to open it. We'll go next. It should pop up probably saying that it's from a source that's not protected. There you go. By unknown publisher. Are you sure you want to continue? Click yes, only if you know that you downloaded it from Plex. If you got it from a third-party source that's not Plex, don't do this. Make sure you got it from Plex themselves. So we'll do yes, then we'll hit apply. And remember, we were on 1.21 before. Now it says we're on 1.23, what we just did. It installed. We're going to click run. Alright, Plex should be running now. Let's head over to Plex and take a look. And here you go. We're back on our Plex server. We're on the general settings, and you can see we're on version 1.23. It says we're up to date. We'll check for updates again just to make sure there's no updates. That's all there is to it. That's how you update Plex server that's running on a Synology NAS. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notifications when the videos drop. We'll see you next time.